Has Ranger finally built the perfect liveaboard cruiser? Well, let's take a look and see.
Hi everybody, welcome to the 50-somethings.
We're living life to the fullest and practicing for retirement. It's a big boat. This is definitely oh yeah, this must be the newest one. What size is this? 43? Yeah.
We looked at the smaller ones here.
Yeah. Want to take a walk?
You want to go look at it?
Yeah. There's a 31, which was previously their largest tug right there, honey. And this is the 27. Yeah. That's the 20. No, this is the 30. This is the 27. This is the 31. The previous. Yeah, this is 27. This is 31. It is definitely. This one's trailerable though. This one's trailerable. Triple axle. We couldn't trailer it. I'm just saying it is trailerable. We couldn't.
31's big enough to do, right?
Yeah, the 31. This is their newest. I think this is brand new for the year. I wouldn't put money on it.
This is a 22 model.
22?
Alright.
Oh yeah, they've got solar panels, dinghy lift, a grill, yeah, refrigerator, upper helm. Wow, this is definitely made to go across the pond. You can do the Bahamas and this and spend a year or so on it, no problem.
Yeah. That would be nice.
Yes. I was just looking at that.
Trailing behind, it's out of the way. You have plenty of space elsewhere. You got your little mini galley up top. You can stay up here on the move while I put something together.
Oh yeah. Think we can get inside? Or get inside or walk around the front. Do they have a walkway now?
Yeah. Okay, so over here it's very similar. You have the very narrow that you gotta scooch across
Right.
like a cutwater.
Right.
And then it widens out and then you can walk around the front.
Okay.
So
We were not able to go inside the 43 at this boat show. However, I did ask the question at the beginning of this little video, is that has Ranger finally, built the perfect cruising boat? Well, they have almost perfected it. There are things they still need to do. One of the big ones is the gunnels. They're way too narrow and they need some railing there to protect you for the locks and such as that. And also, there is still a little bit of work to be done on the interior. Still only have one head for a 43-foot boat. So there are some things they do need to work on. However, they've added a lot. They've added, a pretty good package there with the washer and dryer down below. They also made the living area and the galley totally separate, kind of like that. 2 actual staterooms, a master's, which is not that bad at all. And also, if you take a good look at the boat itself, it's got a lot of amenities that the more higher-end boats have. But let's face it, this is $1 million boat. It really should have a little bit more. And it was a nice touch with the dinghy up top.